Hello, I hope you are well. I don't have myself in this video because I'm going to be showing you. We're going to be working on an activity, and I need to show you. So this is going to be a longer screencast. So bear with me because I'm showing you what to do. So this is what you're doing for Thursday. We're going to start this tomorrow, and then we can work on it Friday. It's not due until next Tuesday, and it is going to count as a test grade. However, we're also doing the CDTs starting either Friday or Monday. I have to decide. So we're going to be working on this. That's why I extended the time and the CDTs, which is kind of like a preparation for the PSSAs, because as of right now, we are having them this year. So this is going to be in lieu or in place of your quiz, like just a traditional quiz. It's just more fun. So materials, what you need, warm up, time to climb. So click on it. If you're a hybrid, it's going to bring you there. It's supposed to be fun. I'm not going to log in. You should be able to do that. It is 2 points. The game plan is this distributed property maze. It is probably going to take you the entire time. So if you're period 1, you're going to click on that. It's going to bring you to the activity, which is right here. You are going to log in. Mine looks different because I am not a student. So my Google Classroom is a little different. It's going to ask you to log in with Google. You're going to say yes. It's going to ask if that's your code, like the C, whatever it is. And you're going to say yes. And then you're going to log in. And then you're going to put your name. My name is Megan. And then you are going to answer these questions. I will do some with you. You're going to answer these questions. Once you're done these questions, you're going to go to the second page and you're going to fill in the answers. So I'm going to show you. And it's a maze, so I'll be able to tell at your maze if you did it correctly or not. So go back to this page. If this is my first one, if it's a distributed property, we have a double rainbow. And what I need to do is, I always draw it. It's a little hard on here. But 6 times 1, then you can type the answers in here. 6 times 1 is 6. And 6 times 11 is 66A. Because this has an A, this is why we did the like terms. A cannot go with 6. So my answer is 6 plus 66A. That is my answer. Number 2, 6 times 12, and then 6 times 6x. 6 times 12, I'm going to use a calculator. It's 72. Plus 6 times 6, I know it's 36, and x. And this is my answer because there's an x here. I cannot combine my whole numbers and my letters with variables. So here, I'll do this first row with you. And then these are all addition. They're all the same type. I'm going to do the first row with you. 12 times 11 is 132 plus 12 times 12 is 144 V. Because I have to keep this little thing. And I need to do my double rainbow. So what we're doing is we're taking this first number and then we're distributing it, which means we have to multiply. So 8 times 5A, 8 times 10. 8 times 5A is 40A, plus 8 times 10 is 80. That is my answer. I'm going to go through. I'm going to do all these problems, every single one. Then I'm going to go over here. Here I have 6 plus 66A. Okay, so 6. I got to go to begin. 6 plus 66A. Well, that's not it. 6 plus 66A. That's not it. 6 plus 66A. That is it. So I'm going to change my color just so that I can still see. And I'm gonna go this way. Okay. Now I'm here. What was my number 2? My number 2, my answer, oh no, did it go away? It went away. Okay, it's okay. So I would wait until you're done. And definitely write them down. Let's make sure I didn't change screens. So number 2, so this was 6 plus 66a. And then my number 2 was 6 times 12. So it's 72 plus 36x. 72 plus 36x. Trying to see if there's like a save button. But definitely write them down. And then 72 plus 36x was that one. Oh, so you can't go back and forth. So it's good to know. You cannot go back and forth because I went that way. So 72 plus 36x would go that way. So what you need to do is you need to do all of these and write them down as you do them so that I can see 1 equals 36 plus whatever. And then go over here, find your answers. So I know it was that, I know it was that. And then, the next one was what? 132 plus 144b. 132 plus 134b. So that was that. So you're going to keep going and finding your answers. So do all of these, write them down, then go over here, complete the maze, and then you're going to hit turn in. And it will all be saved, and I will see everything. You just can't go back and forth. That's why it will be important to write it down. This is a test grade. There are 20 problems. So you need to complete all of them and then hit turn in when you are done. Okay? Thank you. Bye.